Hi guys, welcome to first new episode of Cybernetic. In this video, we are gonna talk about how to send multiple hearts on Instagram, which is very easy to learn and fun to do. The last video I made was all about how to know the name of people who viewed your Instagram profile. You guys give lots of love to that video and I'm really thankful to you for your time. Keep supporting guys, and without further ado, let's get started. First of all, we'll go to Instagram and open the conversation window. We'll select the person whom we want to send multiple hearts. At first, we'll like the recent message, then tap on heart icon multiple times. Please maintain the timing between liking the recent message and tapping on heart icon. In case you want to know another way of sending multiple hearts, then all you need to do is send a heart followed by sending a dot. Then again repeat the same up to number of times you want to send hearts. Now unsend that dot by long pressing on dot and pressing on unsend message option. So I hope you all enjoyed this video a lot and do amaze your friend with this amazing Instagram trick. And with that being said, this is Cybernetic signing off.